Out for Sophie by Rosemary Wells. Sophie's mama made Sophie a beautiful supper. Yum, yum, said Sophie. Good, Sophie, said Sophie's mama. Then Sophie threw her supper on the floor. No, Sophie, said Mama. No throwing supper. Mama tried again. Cookie, said Sophie. Time out for Sophie, said Mama. So Sophie had a time out. It was Daddy's turn to fold the laundry. Helping, said Sophie. Good, Sophie, said Daddy. Daddy hung the socks on the line. But when Daddy wasn't looking, Sophie pushed the whole pile of folded laundry onto the floor. Daddy folding laundry again, said Sophie. No pushing over the laundry, Sophie, said Daddy. But Sophie pushed all the laundry onto the floor again. Time out for Sophie, said Sophie's daddy. So Sophie had another time out. Read a book, said Sophie. Please, said Sophie's granny. Please, said Sophie. Granny read Sophie a story. But Sophie grabbed Granny's glasses off her nose. No grabbing glasses, Sophie, said Granny. Sophie did it again and again. Time out for Granny, said Granny. No time out, Granny. No time out. Sophie put Granny's glasses back on Granny's nose. There was no throwing. There was no pushing. There was no grabbing. Good, Sophie, said Granny. Good, Sophie, said Sophie.
Thanks for joining us, guys. And remember that AM and PM story time is for any time of the day, whether you're just waking up, noontime snacking, or bedtime is happening. Stop by and enjoy a book with us.